In this video, we're attempting to discuss the advisor landscape in Ontario and in general in Canada. We're going to try to explain, the industry regulations that surround the advisor marketplace, and help you try to realize that when you're out looking for a new advisor or working with your existing advisors, some of the structural challenges. People are often approaching us now to get some financial planning advice. So the first thing that we have to deal with when we see clients like that, we need to be educating them on the fact that the industry has restrictions in it that cause them not to necessarily get the services that they're looking for. In Ontario and most of Canada, you're likely to run into three distinct types of individuals. One of them is an insurance agent who is licensed by their sponsoring company or companies to be able to sell insurance products, which would be life insurance, disability products, and segregated funds. You also will encounter mutual fund salespeople who are actually mutual funds representative of a dealer that's in the mutual fund business. And again, that mutual fund representative is registered or licensed to sell you mutual funds. And or you may be introduced to a broker who the broker is in the business of helping you buy and sell stocks and bonds and other securities that are traded in Ontario. And again, they're licensed to help you acquire those things and sell those items, but their licensing is to buy and sell. So if you go into a bank, most of the people in the bank that you'd be introduced to past the teller level, which are dealing with cash products, are also licensed in one of those areas. So you may be talking to a broker at the bank who is with the brokerage arm of the bank. You may be dealing with a financial planner at the bank who is also a mutual fund representative. So the same rules that govern the independents and the non-bank companies in Ontario govern the people that work actually at the bank as well, on top of the regulations for banks themselves in the banking industry. But at the end of the day, you've got some concerns about your investment portfolio. You need to talk to somebody about it. Invariably, you'll be talking to somebody who is licensed to buy and sell, whether it be buy and sell mutual funds, buy and sell insurance products, or buy and sell stocks and bonds. And that is the environment. And the point here isn't to say that's a bad thing. It's important to understand that is the environment, so that when you are getting some advice from one of these individuals, that you can assess that advice on whether it is actually being delivered because it's good for you, or it's possibly good for the person delivering that advice or their company. So where does this leave the individual investor? We're working within a structure that you need to be aware of, because it has great implications to you in getting some help in managing your affairs. But at the end of the day, there's always this "I'm trying to sell you something" issue that's in the background. And so you just have to be aware of that. It's not necessarily a bad thing. You just have to be aware of it.